Hello everyone, Barb here from barbaderholt.closetomyheart.com. Thank you so much for stopping by. This is video number 3 in my 3-video series featuring the Stars and Sparklers Scrapbooking Workshop from Close to My Heart. Today's layout is this one here. It's project number 3. I am just going to get quiet and get busy, and I will probably fast forward it because I think that's a fun way to watch the pages come together. And I am back. I went ahead and finished the second half of the layout. I love these layouts. All of these different layouts are what I call mirror layouts. It means that they kind of mirror each other. There are some different elements, how the photos are laid out, but in the long run, they're basically the same layout. So I just did this one off camera. I will tell you that when I was cutting the papers out to make this set of pages, I goofed it up. I cut something in the wrong direction, so I ended up flipping the paper over to the back side to make it work. I used liquid glue. This is art glitter glue. It's something that I got online. I really like using it. I also kind of messed this up. This strip was actually supposed to be over here. I didn't realize I had mixed them up, but that's okay. I look at those types of situations where you realize that you screwed something up as an opportunity to stretch your imagination and learn to go with it, learn to wing it. So I want to show you this page here. This is the first page. And then this is the second page. And these are project 3 from the Stars and Sparklers Scrapbooking Workshop from Close to My Heart. I hope you'll consider giving this workshop a try and that you've enjoyed these 3 videos. Thank you so much for stopping by. Have a blessed, crafty day, and I'll see you next time.